So good morning from the SanifloStore. So beautiful June morning, and we're going to show you the Saniflo Sanimarin MAXLITE that is installed on my cruiser. We are located up in New Hampshire, and this is actually just on the border of New Hampshire and Maine. I'm standing on Badgers Island. It's a great area. If you haven't been up here, definitely make the trip up. But that's my boat down there. It's a Monterey 265 cruiser. Had a Jabsco hand pump toilet in it, and it was replaced with the MAXLITE, which was a great fit. And I'll go down and flush it and show you how it operates. And then if you have any questions, you can certainly give us a call. All right, so welcome aboard. So as I mentioned, this is a Monterey cruiser. Typical small cruiser, usually come with a hand pump toilet. Really didn't like having it on here. I mean, obviously I sell toilets, so I immediately wanted to change it out. But some of our other units are better suited towards yachts, where this unit is a perfect replacement for the hand pump. So as soon as this unit came out, I jumped all over it. I think it's a great addition to my boat. The hand pump was just frustrating. People would come down to go to the bathroom, and I'd have to teach them how to use the toilet, and it was kind of embarrassing for them. So this is real basic bathroom in a small cruiser. You can see the rocker panel right here. That is for the toilet. So basically there's a fill and then there's a discharge. So it add water and then pulls the water out and grinds it, sends it to my black water tank. Toilet comes with a slow close seat. So it's a great fit. I mean, it fits right where the hand pump was. Really simple installation. Install the rocker. I have a little power cable to the side there for the power. It is a raw water intake. So this boat has just a through hull fitting, which pulls seawater in. So it does not have a pressurized system for this. Has it for the sinks, but not for this. And this unit has its own water pump, so it's going to draw that water in. It's not designed to work with a pressurized system. So it's perfect for my boat for sure. So let's give it a flush. You'll be able to hear it. So basically, if you want to fill the bowl, you're going to go ahead and rock the rocker one way. And it's going to fill the bowl. Let's hope I don't suck any shrimp in or anything. And then when we're going to go ahead and empty the bowl, you just rock it the other way. And it's gone. And that's it. I usually leave a little bit of water in the bowl just to create a water seal. And the unit works great. Again, slow close seat comes with it. Really easy to install. Excellent unit overall. Very happy with it. So give us a call at the store. Our number 866-658-0505. Again, it's the SanifloStore. You can ask for Aaron or Mark. I'll also be there to help you. My name is Carmen. So certainly give us a buzz if you have any questions about this or any of the other Sanimarin units. Thank you.